Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is the first day of February. But we've got a very negative market attitude right now. Can we see more of a turnaround day? A lot of times we come in the morning and we've got the market, leaning one way really hard. We tend to see things change. The attitude right now is negative. China being the main contributor to that. Their markets being lower, and that's keeping kind of a cap on things. A lot of talk of investors in China having to meet margin calls, and things may end up getting ugly here over the next few weeks. Right now, our markets are down. Stock futures down anyway, about 84 points. Crude oil down $1. We've got our dollar down about 40 cents. So negative market action here this morning. That's what's got our grains working a little lower as well. Corn down 3.5, beans down 4 3/4, with wheat down 6. We're in a time frame though as we get into February. We have this seasonal period. We went through this at our conference last week, and looking for more of maybe a seasonal bounce as we go into February. We tend to see that. We tend to get the markets to gravitate a little bit higher. But something that is very interesting, the Commitment of Traders report out on Friday, showing that over the previous week, the funds bought 71,000 contracts back that they were short. That leaves them short still 87,000. But that is a big, big difference from what they were short. So, that was a very interesting fact here on Friday. They showed that beans, they sold an additional 4,600, so puts the funds short 30,000 beans. And then they bought back about 20,000 contracts of wheat, leaving them short about 50,000 contracts. So pretty interesting to see what had happened and what these funds had done over the last several weeks. Livestock, cattle. We were hearing bids that were quite strong on Friday. We did see cash trade at a 138. That is positive for cattle. We had cattle inventory numbers, though, that were negative. We'll see how they open at 9:05 today, but expect to see some choppy trades yet. And so we'll see how what kind of reaction we get here once we reopen. Box beef mixed. Choice down $1.36. Select up 170 on Friday. But overall, the cash trade was more of a surprise for us, and we'll see what kind of reaction we get. But I suspect that we could get the livestock to get mixed in with everything else this morning and probably end up working a little bit lower. Hogs cutout values up just 8 cents. The trends have been higher for hogs, but usually as we go into February, we tend to see a seasonal decline for hogs as well. So be careful over the next few days. As I mentioned, stock market down 84, crude oil down $1, the dollar down 40 cents. And can we turn this negative attitude around before the close? We'll see what happens. But give us a call here, 800-262-7538, or on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.